up, duckies? Andy Lippy here. How are we doing today? So, I have got some special treats in store for you. You've clicked on this because you use OBS and you're a streamer, and you've got one of these bad boys lying about that you've never used. We're about to make it useful. But before we do, like the video, help us out massively, and also subscribe, okay? Because when we get to 1,000 subscribers, I'm actually releasing some original music that I've never put out there or anything. So, when we get there, that's it, some free music for you that I wrote and I played, but let's get to the video, alright? Kinect, hooray! So to get this working, you're going to need more than just your Xbox Kinect, okay? More than just this. Because as you know, the Xbox Kinect connector, I'm saying Kinect a lot here, is a weird input. So we need an adapter just to do it. I got one on Amazon. I'll leave some links below as well. This cost me £25. It's quite a hefty thing. You've got a power adapter on the end of it, which is another power brick on its own because the Kinect draws so much power for some reason, and a USB 3 connection to get plugged into the computer. So you're going to need that if you want this to work, okay? Right, so just a quick disclaimer before we do jump into this. It is such a hard plugin to get working first time. I mean, I had ran into a few issues. You might be lucky, you might get it working first time, but I had to do quite a bit of uninstalling, reinstalling, tinkering around, but you will get it as long as you just keep trying, restart your computer, all your typical shenanigans, okay? So any of the links that I used are all going to be in the description below. This is the OBS website, and we're looking at the OBS Kinect plugin, okay? So we're just going to hit download. You can read a little bit more about it just down here. Hit download, open that up, and then we'll open it into whatever RAW program we're using. I'm using WinRAR at the moment, and then I'm going to show you how to install it as well. So let me just open up this beast, go to my C drive, program files, and you'll probably find OBS-Studio all in lowercase. Okay, all we need to do is click on both of these, drag, and drop. So mine's going to say they're already installed. Yours won't, so I'm not going to do anything here. Let them all copy over. It will probably require you to use administration and everything like that to get it all installed. Close that down. And then we're going to go to the second website, which is the GitHub for this plugin that he's got just here. There was a few things that you need to do. So as I scrolled down, when I was trying to work out why mine wasn't working, all we need to do is install Kinect for Windows Runtime and Kinect for Windows SDK. So just click on both of these links, hit download. They'll download at the bottom just here. Then all you need to do is run and install. We'll go back. I'll put all these links below. Kinect for Windows again. Get that downloaded, get that installed. This one's a little bit of a bigger file. It's 276 megabytes, so it might take a little while to download if your internet's not very good. Open that, get that installed, restart your computer. Right, so once you've got that all installed, quite a few things to do there, I know. Make sure you do restart your computer, and then we're going to head back into OBS. So once we're in OBS, we need to add a new source, press the plus sign down at the bottom, and press Connect Source. If you're not seeing that there, you need to try rebooting again maybe reinstall the plugins again, overwrite the original files, install the Windows SDK again. Like honestly, I had to do it 3 or 4 times to get this all to work, but now I've got it working, it just works. Let me know if you do have any issues as well. So we press Connect Source, and you'll see, I'm just going to call it Connect Source for now. You can call it anything you want. Press OK. It is just going to make it full screen, so I'm just going to make it a little bit smaller for you to see what I'm doing in the background. So I got my Connect source just there. You can do your typical shutdown when it's not visible, so when it's not on, it'll shut it down so it's not using any power or any computer resource to render anything, which is really useful. And you've got different modes on here, which I'm going to kind of go a little bit in depth in a bit, so you can see the depth of field effect, which is quite cool. So, because the Kinect's 3D sensor and everything like that, it can sense how close something is. And there's a lot of different settings in here that you can use to do different things, get different kind of styles. So you can cut certain areas off. You can search further and different things like that. If we go to infrared, this one I love. Look at this. using this on a horror stream, like what we saying. Like, how cool is that? I'm going to be using it definitely on my next Outlast run. I need to do Outlast 2. So get me followed on Twitch if you want to see that or any sort of content like that. Get me followed. Woo! I don't know. Sorry, I lost it. But once you're happy with it, like I say, the camera is not bad at all. The only downfall that I've had with it is that it does use quite a bit of power. Let me go back to... It does use quite a bit of power. So I've had it crash, I think once during a live stream, but I use a lot of plugins and a lot of peripherals because I do music, so I've got a lot of stuff plugged into my computer at the same time, which is really on my bad. But let me know how you get on with it. I am going to be covering a little special secret that this puppy can do for all you people that don't have a green screen, so get subscribed to see more of that, okay? But until next time, let me know what you get on with. Like this video, subscribe, all that jazz, but put your rocket with a stone, and I'll see you on twitch.tv/AndyLippy.